Okay, so here's another video of the full stroke in open position. So that means that my hand is open and the fingers are touching the stick, but the palm doesn't necessarily touch the stick. So I can start in that position with the sticks facing the ceiling, and then I'm gonna just think about the stick doing the work, right? And there's a couple things setup-wise that might be useful, is that my elbows here are a little bit away from my body, right? So that gives me space for my mechanics to work in my favor to do this type of full stroke, what we'll call a full open rebound stroke, right? And we're looking at this flexion extension. So when I do that with my wrist, then I am flexing that, and when I allow and accept it, then I'm extending the wrist, because this is a hinge joint right here, right? So we want to actually use that to our benefits. So here we go, set up here, and then I'm going to just do them really slowly. I'm going to just sort of check in with my body too, sit bones attached to the seat, and then I am going to, on my own time, just sort of slip one in there and see what happens. Okay, that was good. The stick bounced back to the starting position, right? So now I'm going to do that with this one. And try to sort of, if I have a good right, I want to sort of copy that with my left, right? And that's a full open stroke, rebound stroke. Full open rebound. Okay, so now when we're talking about control strokes, I can start in a full position and open, but then I could stop at about an inch above the pad. So that's going to look like this. And then release the tension. A lot of people do that, and they might just hold on to the tension. But we just forget, we don't need to hold. Once we stop the stick an inch above the pad, then we can just release the tension. So we can start in full position, and then we do a controlled stroke, right? So for your exercise, then this would be useful. Do a full, and then a control, right? And then the same thing with the left. Full, control, right? And then we can just reset. So we have full stroke, control stroke, release. Full stroke, control stroke, release. And then reset. And just focusing on those two strokes for now. Full, control, release. Full, control, release. And you can stop anywhere from like an inch to 3 inches above the pad for this sort of exercise.